Today's subject is the good news about corona after effect. And some of them, got the coronavirus and recovered from that. However, some kind of symptom left over, bother, And then I wrote down here and fatigue and this is a symptom we may be able to read or hear from the newspaper or TV. However, even though I wrote down here and I just circle what I experienced, fatigue and sarcopenia, that kind of muscle weaknesses, and insomnia and anxiety and depression, loss of hair, but we treat, however, that after coronavirus, loss of appetite, I don't have experience here. And the respiratory disease and brain fog, you cannot concentrate it, what you are doing, and then kind of you cannot think of things like that, and the chest pain and heart palpitation. This one I didn't have experience. This is a lot, loss of appetite. So many people, no taste at all whatsoever. And then diarrhea, no. Brain shrinkage, no. I don't have experience in here. However, we may be able to, help this one. And the reason I can treat this kind of a thing is many people came over to me because of tinnitus. That's after effect of the coronavirus. But when I read an article, they not talking about a tinnitus issue, but all of them they have this kind of issue. So they went to medical doctor, let's say loss of appetite, and they, some people told me that she went to some kind of sandwiches McDonald's, and some of them buy one get one free. So he got about the 4, then he got 8, but he could not eat one piece of one piece could not eat that even though just one a day, and losing lots of weight after this kind of symptoms. So many people talking about loss of appetite, no taste at all whatsoever, and anxiety, and there's a very nervousness. And so with my experience, when they come, then it's relatively simple to be treated and become well. That's a good news to me. And most of cases when they visit many doctors or sometimes even acupuncturists, they don't recover fast, then it's difficult for me too. But on this matter, no, it's relatively very easy. So what I do is that I need your birthday, including time you born. So let's say 5:15 a.m. So this is time, or 8:25 p.m. Things like that. Everybody knows in the birthday, but time they do not know where. And so I need this information, and then I also need for this consultation I charge $150 for 30 minutes. So when you send the money to me, $150 to my name, okay, Chan Hall at AOL.com. Channel my name at AOL.com. So that's my email address. Then you can pay a gel and PayPal, things like that. Pay, and then they got notice to me that somebody paid for this one. Then I am going to send you a link of Zoom, okay, for 30 minutes. Okay, in the 30 minutes, I am going to before we talk about with Zoom, and I understand what kind of symptom already, and then that I evaluated already, so I can give you what kind of acupuncture point required. So the best one is, when you get the acupuncture point, then you go to local acupuncture clinic and ask acupuncturist to put the way I suggest you. Do not add anything, just the way I ask you to. But sometimes that I don't have acupuncturist in my neighbor. I have to go to 3-4 hours driving and come back. Then in that case, we have another kind of solution. Sometimes when you do not have teeth, then we have to live with gum. Okay, so then in that case, not only you patient, but also one or two more family members to help you, okay? That's what I created for that kind of situation. So you can send me at my email, chanhall at AOL.com, $150. Then I am going to send a link so we can consultate and recommend you about the acupuncture point for you. You are going to recover very fast. Thank you so much for your watching.